Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to use WhatsApp Web on an Android phone. First, open the web browser and go to whatsapp.com. Click on the three-dot icon and choose the Web WhatsApp option. Now wait for the QR code to appear. Open WhatsApp on your phone, go to Link Devices or Settings, then link a device. Click OK and scan the QR code with your phone. You can see it works perfectly. This is how we can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.